Dhulikhel Hospital, known for its dedication to comprehensive and high-quality healthcare, offers exceptional ear, nose, and throat services. This department not only addresses common ENT issues but also specializes in advanced diagnostics, surgical treatments, and rehabilitation. The ENT department provides comprehensive care for ear diseases, ensuring accurate diagnosis and effective treatment. Common conditions managed include hearing loss, ear infections, and structural abnormalities. Advanced surgeries like myringoplasty, mastoid surgeries, ossiculoplasty, stapes surgery, and cochlear implant surgery are regularly performed. The introduction of cochlear implants is a groundbreaking initiative that has significantly benefited patients with severe hearing loss, underscoring the department's expertise and commitment to innovation. The hospital's audiology and speech-language services cater to patients with hearing and communication difficulties. These services include hearing screening and diagnostic tests to assess hearing levels and identify disorders. Comprehensive speech therapy and rehabilitation services are also provided, ensuring that the patients regain or improve their ability to communicate effectively. The department places a strong emphasis on patient-centered care, providing tailored solutions for individuals of all ages. The department offers extensive services for the treatment of nasal and sinus diseases, including allergic conditions. Patients suffering from chronic sinusitis, nasal polyps, or nasal deformities can access advanced surgical procedures like endoscopic sinus surgery and rhinoplasty. These interventions not only address medical concerns but also improve patients' quality of life and confidence. Allergy treatment programs are also available, aimed at managing symptoms and providing long-term relief through personalized treatment plans. Specialized care for head and neck conditions is a key focus of the ENT department. Thyroid surgeries and neck dissections are performed with precision, ensuring optimal outcomes for the patients. The team also addresses complex conditions such as head and neck cancers, offering both surgical and non-surgical interventions. This holistic approach integrates advanced technology with compassionate care to improve patient recovery and survival rates. The department addresses sleep-related disorders, including obstructive sleep apnea and snoring, through comprehensive diagnostic and therapeutic services. Sleep studies, lifestyle modifications, and surgical interventions are employed to ensure better sleep quality and overall health. The hospital is a leader in universal neonatal hearing screening, both within the hospital and in the community. The Universal Neonatal Hearing Screening was started in 2017 at our hospital in collaboration with Seoul National University Hospital in the leadership of Professor Sung Ha-oh. Early detection of hearing loss is vital for timely intervention and rehabilitation, helping children achieve normal developmental milestones. This initiative highlights the hospital's commitment to community-based healthcare and preventive medicine. The ENT department at Dhulikhel Hospital provides a diverse range of services that encompass prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitation. From advanced ear surgeries and audiology services to rhinology, head and neck surgery, and sleep disorder management, the department is equipped to handle complex cases with expertise. The integration of community-based initiatives such as Universal Neonatal Hearing Screening further exemplifies the hospital's dedication to comprehensive healthcare. With its state-of-the-art facilities and highly skilled team, the ENT department continues to set benchmarks in patient care and surgical excellence.